Hi everyone, welcome back to episode 4 of our healthy breakfast series. And today we are making a delicious and nutritious dish, vegetable Moong dal chilla. Let's start with chopping capsicum, onions, tomatoes with the help of chopper. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Add ginger and green chilies if you like. Now transfer all the chopped vegetables into a bowl. Now rinse the soaked moong dal until the water runs clear. This removes any impurities. Then add it to a blender with a little water to make a smooth batter. Now transfer the batter into your veggies mixture. Give it a good stir to combine everything. If the batter is thick, you can add some water to make it like runny consistency. Now it's time to add some spices like salt, red chili powder, black pepper. Now add kasuri methi and some chopped coriander leaves and mix it all together. If you like, you can add Ajwain seeds. Now heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and drizzle a little oil. Pour the batter onto the pan and spread it gently into a circle. Cook for about 2-3 minutes until the edges start to lift. Apply some oil on the other side. Carefully flip it over and cook the other side until golden brown. You will want both sides to be perfectly crispy. Once done, remove it from the pan and repeat with the remaining batter. Serve your vegetable moong dal chilla hot, garnished with fresh coriander. This chilla pairs perfectly with yogurt or your favorite chutney for an extra flavor boost. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious meals. Happy cooking! See you next time.